Hello, to connect printer to your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to go into Settings, Connections, and More Connection Settings. And right here you have Printing option. You go in there, and by default you have this default print service. And if you cannot find your printer right here, also you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi to find your printer. But in case you cannot find your printer, you cannot connect to it, you just simply go back and download your printer's plugin. I just downloaded it, but by pressing this, you have different plugins that you may install depending on which printer you have. I have installed this one, so let's go in here, and here is the information that I actually have to print by tapping the three dot icon in the documents actually, but first we have to add the printer. So let's press this here, let's go into the three dots, and actually after you press this Canon print service, your printer should have been found here, but if it's not, you simply just have to press this three dots and press add printer. Then you should add your printer manually. You have to agree, and you simply have to be connected to your Wi-Fi, and also remember to have your printer turned on. And after your printer is turned on and is connected to the Wi-Fi, and after you are connected to our Wi-Fi also, simply your printer should have been here after like trying to add it manually. So after you connect it to the printer, you just go into any document, press three dots like it's been said previously, and press the print button. Thank you for watching.